Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating your Gumroad seller account so you can start selling digital goods with no hassle. Follow these simple steps to get started today. Step 1. Sign up for Gumroad. Go to the Gumroad website at www.gumroad.com. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You can sign up using your email address or your social media accounts like Twitter or Facebook. Choose the method that suits you best. Step 2. Verify your email address. After signing up, you'll receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click on the verification link to activate your account. If you don't see the email in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 3. Set up your profile. Once your email is verified, log in to your Gumroad account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account Settings. Here, you can fill in your profile details such as your name, bio, and profile picture. Having a complete profile helps build trust with potential buyers. Step 4. Add payment information. To receive payments from your sales, you'll need to add your payment details. Go to the Payouts section in your account settings. Choose your payment method. Gumroad supports payments through PayPal and direct bank transfers. Follow the instructions to link your chosen method. Step 5. Create your first product. Now that your profile is set up, it's time to add a product. Click on the Products tab from the dashboard and then click Add a Product. Choose the type of product you want to sell: digital product, physical product, or subscription. Fill in the product details, including the title, description, price, and upload your digital file. Step 6. Customize your product page. Make your product page attractive by uploading a compelling cover image and adding any additional features like discounts or license agreements. Review your product page to ensure all information is correct. Step 7. Set up your checkout page. Customize the checkout experience by going to the checkout settings in your Gumroad dashboard. You can choose to collect customer information like name and email, and customize the thank you message that customers will see after purchase. Step 8. Publish your product. Once you are satisfied with your product page and checkout settings, hit the Publish button. Your product is now live and ready to be sold. Step 9. Promote your product. Share the link to your Gumroad product on social media, blogs, or your website. Engage with your audience to build anticipation before the launch. Step 10. Monitor your sales. Use the Gumroad dashboard to track your sales and customer information. Make adjustments to your marketing strategies based on what you learn from your sales data. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide on activating your Gumroad seller account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on selling digital goods. Happy selling!